Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the topic of using chia seeds for weight loss. Chia seeds have gained popularity in the health and fitness community due to their nutritional profile and potential benefits for weight management. So, let's dive in and learn how to incorporate chia seeds into your weight loss journey. Before we discuss the specifics of using chia seeds for weight loss, let's take a moment to understand what chia seeds are. Chia seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant and have been consumed for centuries. They are packed with nutrients, including fiber, healthy fats, protein, and various vitamins and minerals. One of the key reasons chia seeds are often recommended for weight loss is their high fiber content. Fiber is known to promote satiety, keeping you fuller for longer and reducing excessive calorie intake. One popular way to incorporate chia seeds into your diet is by making chia seed pudding. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Step 1. In a bowl, mix a quarter cup of chia seeds with 1 cup of your choice of milk, such as almond milk or coconut milk. Step 2. Add a sweetener like honey or maple syrup and a dash of vanilla extract for flavor. Step 3. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Step 4. Cover the bowl and refrigerate overnight or for at least 4 hours. Step 5. Once the mixture has thickened, you can enjoy it as a delicious and nutritious chia seed pudding. Another benefit of chia seeds is their ability to absorb liquid and retain it. This property can help promote hydration and may contribute to a feeling of fullness. One simple way to incorporate chia seeds into your routine is by making chia seed water. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Take a glass or a bottle of water. Step 2. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to the water. Step 3. Stir well to mix the seeds evenly. Step 4. Let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent clumping. Step 5. Once the chia seeds have absorbed the water and formed a gel-like consistency, you can drink it. It's crucial to remember that chia seeds expand when they come into contact with liquid. So, be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day when consuming chia seeds to avoid any potential digestive discomfort. While chia seeds can be a valuable addition to a weight loss plan, it's important to note that they are not a magical solution. Weight loss requires a comprehensive approach that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and overall lifestyle changes. To sum it up, chia seeds can be a beneficial addition to your weight loss journey due to their high fiber content and hydrating properties. Whether you enjoy chia seed pudding, chia seed water, or incorporate them into other recipes, they can provide a nutritious boost to your diet. Remember, weight loss is a personal journey, and it's essential to find what works best for you. As always, consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet or weight loss regimen. That's it for today's video on how to use chia seeds for weight loss. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.